Today's tip: if you're facing from allergies, you're going to massage at the side of the ear and press the ear apex. Press the ear apex, massage it over here if you have any pain in the body and want to reduce it immediately. For allergies, press over here. For sneezing, if you are prone to allergies and you wake up early morning sneezing, massage in this area over here. If you have blocked nose, massage in this area over here in front. Okay, you can just press it this way. It will open up your blocked nose. Another point to open up your blocked nose is this point and this point. You can do these 2 point stimulation and pressing at top. If you massage over here, it will open up your sinuses over here in the notch. Hope this helps. Try it out and let me know. Thank you.